does not happen.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Thursday informed that arrangements are made to evacuate more than 200 students from the state who are studying in Manipur following the violent incidents. After chairing an emergent meeting held with senior government officials, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the government is monitoring the situation in Manipur very closely. The students will be evacuated at the earliest, and arrangements for various modes of transportation, especially air, are made. Additionally, steps will be taken to create a helpline number that students can reach 24/7, he added. The government officials of Meghalaya are in continual contact with the administration of Manipur, he said, urging the students not to fear. He also made a peace appeal for Manipur and expressed his want for a peaceful resolution to the issues of the state.
The recent incidents that have been taking place in the state of Manipur have been very disturbing. And at this point in time, I would urge to all the citizens of Manipur state, all our brothers and sisters there, that we should maintain peace and harmony out there, and we should not go into any violent activities. I would like to appeal for peace, and I would like to urge that whatever the complications may be there, we should try and resolve those matters in an amicable manner.